Tales. Join Karadi, Priya Muthukumar of Storypur, and their little lizard friend as they go about looking for a new tail for the lizard so that he can get a brand new look for himself. Please welcome Miss Priya Muthukumar.
Now you're going to tell me whether you can hear me. Good morning. Oh, that good morning wasn't good enough. Can we have a nice good morning? Are your tummies full? Because I had a nice breakfast. Did you have yours? Yes? So now, once again, we're going to go with a nice, bright, energetic good morning. Very good morning to all of you. Fantastic. Now, you know what? I always like to appreciate myself and appreciate others. So, we said a nice good morning. So, let's clap for ourselves. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you something. Okay. You woke up one fine day and then you were just going to your, washroom to brush your teeth. And then you realize you've got something right behind. Tail. Okay. How will you react? Will you be happy, sad, angry? I don't know. How will you feel? Shocked. Okay. Then angry. Okay. Surprised. Then sad. Okay. Right. Now you realize it's not just you, but your mother, father, friends, teachers, everybody seemed to have grown a tail that morning. Then how will you feel? Oh, now you're crying and shocked. Okay. Now there's another option. Yes, you have a tail, but the option is you can design your own tail. It's magic. You can put colors, designs, dots. You can make it a checkered one, fluorescent one. So take half a minute and tell me how would you want your tail to look like. You're going to be stuck with that tail for the rest of your life. What design? Leopard, okay. Beautiful. Peacock, a bird.
Same like the shape of an aeroplane.
Okay, my God. The shape of an aeroplane, okay.
But in miniature form of that.
A miniature one, oh, right. Then, smooth. Colorful, okay. Right, fantastic. So, basically, we are all talking. That's exactly what I wanted. So, now what we'll do, I have a big problem, very easily I can get confused. So, I need all of you to help me whenever I get stuck somewhere. Will you do that? Yes. So, for that, you have to sing with me, you have to dance with me, you have to jump with me. Will you do that? Yes. Okay. So, now let's jump together. Up, 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 up. Right now, jump and sit down. Plonk. Good. All right. So now we are all set. So today, did I introduce myself? No, I think somebody did it for me. Okay, my name is Priya Auntie. I come from a place called Storypur, which is full of stories. And today, I'm going to tell you a lovely story, very, very, very sweet story from the Karadi Tales. Okay? And this story, it's called as a Lizard's Tale. It's been written by an auntie called as Shobha Auntie. Okay? So are you ready to listen to the story? Yes. See, again, your yes has gone down like that. Yes. Super. That's how yeses should be. Okay. So now we are going to start the story. So once upon a time, in a small house, mama, papa, who else stays in a house? Uncle, auntie, mama, mommy, sister, brother, everybody stayed. But along with them, there was another very sweet family of lizards. What's a lizard? Balli. Then, any other languages? Alli. Balli. Halli. Okay, right. Then? I don't know any of these languages. You want to say something? Say. Tell. Balli. Okay, fine. No problem. So, this family of lizards lived happily in that house. Okay. Now, there was one little baby lizard. His name was Chippu Chippu Chipkali. Can you say that together? I want your hands out nicely. Chippu Chipkali. Chippu Chippu Chipkali. Chippu Chippu Chipkali. That's exactly how Chippu Chippu Chipkali moved around. Up, down, crawled, scampered, inside, outside, everywhere he went. And he lived happily in that house. Now there was one girl in that house. Her name was Gudu. And Gudu, you know what she used to do? She used to stuff all her toys, her clothes, her books, her bag, everything inside one cupboard. Okay. Now Chippu Chippu Chipkali used to love living inside that cupboard. So many things are there. Gudu's toys are there. So why wouldn't she love to be there? So one day, Chippu Chippu, whenever Chippu Chippu happens, you have to move your hand. Otherwise the story will stop. Okay, Chippu Chippu Chipkali was in that cupboard. And Gudu was playing with her friends outside. So Gudu's friend said, hey Gudu, Gudu, go get your skipping rope. No, come, let's play. So Gudu came running inside. How did she come running? Daba, 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 daba. How did she run? So she came running. She opened the door and cupboard. My skipping rope is inside that cupboard. So she went to that cupboard. She opened the cupboard. And there, skipping rope, skipping rope, skipping rope, skipping rope. She opened the drawer. And there inside that drawer, did she find the skipping rope? But you won't believe it. My little friend, he was there. He was scared. What's happening? Why is this Gudu behaving so strangely? He was thinking. And he was hiding over there. And this Gudu saw skipping rope, no skipping rope. Dhamal! She banged the drawer shut. And my little friend, his tail got stuck, got caught, and snap, chop. The tail got. He went crying to Mama and he said, Chippu, Chippu, Chipkali's tail is cut. Mama, Mama, look at me. Mama looked at Chippu, Chippu, Chipkali and said, don't worry, dear. You'll be fine. Huh? I'm telling you my tail is cut and you're saying, don't worry, dear. Mama said, don't worry. You will be fine. Now, Chippu Chippu Chipkali wasn't convinced, wasn't very happy with what Mama said. Mamas are supposed to say, don't worry, I'll put medicine, right? Yeah. Yes, correct. Okay. But Mama didn't say anything like that. She said one thing, but it's time for you to get a brand new look. Now, my friend did not understand that. What do you mean by a brand new look? He thought. But he was still crying, okay. So when Chippu Chippu's Chipkali is sad, how does it go? Sad, sad. Exactly. Chippu Chippu Chipkali. He roamed around. Oh, I don't have a tail. I don't have a tail. What am I going to do? Look at me. Just then, at a distance, high up on a tree, he saw a squirrel. And this squirrel seemed to be having, how does a squirrel's tail look like? Bushy, fluffy, curled. Yes, correct. It was nice and big and bushy and soft. He kept looking at the squirrel's tail and he said, wow, such a nice tail. And remember, Mama said, it's time for me to get a new look. How I wish I got that squirrel's tail, he thought. So he went to the squirrel and he said, my dear friend squirrel, the squirrel was enjoying a chiku. Do you like chikus? Sapota, right? Ah, it was yummy and juicy and was enjoying the chiku. And the Chippu Chippu Chipkali kept staring at this squirrel. So squirrel said, Hey, lizard. What's up with you, man? Why are you staring at me? Hey, lizard. What's up with you? Would you like to have some nuts and chicos? But the lizard said, no, 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 no. Thank you so much, but I don't eat chicos, you know. But you see that tail of yours? It's very nice. Is that for sale? Can I buy it from you? Now, now our friend the squirrel was a little surprised and shocked. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't sell this tail. I'm very happy and proud. And you see, a squirrel's tail is very useful. Okay? So my friend asked, how is it going to be useful? I said, you know what? The squirrel said, when it's very hot like this, and when I tend to sweat, I use my tail, which some of y'all said it's bushy and soft and fluffy, as a shade. And you know, when it's very cold, what do you think I'll do with my tail? I will cover myself to keep myself warm. And you know what? There is one naughty monkey. Have you seen that naughty monkey? Yes? Okay, so when that naughty monkey comes and troubles me, I'll go jump up and I will hold on to that branch with my tail. So you see, my friend, I can't give you my tail. I'm so sorry. Nah, Chippu Chippu Chipkali was happy or sad? Chippu Chippu Chipkali. Chippu Chippu Chipkali. I know this has to be sad, a little soft, but can all of us join? Okay. Tell you a secret. I can see all the kids doing that. I can see some aunties also doing, but you know what uncles are not doing? What shall we do? Uncles won't do. Why is that uncles won't do? We'll give them a chance. Okay, this is our... The judges are the children here. So you need to be a little loud. One more chance, shall we give them? Yes? 1, 2, 3. Let's hear it for the uncles. We'll clap for them, okay? Mowing the grass. Do you know who that was? The cow bell, the cow's bell. So my friend, Chippu Chippu Chipkali, Chippu Chippu Chipkali, went to the cow and said, you know what? You have such a long tail, long and thin. Can you give me your tail? Can you identify the cow's tail over here? Yeah? Can I have one person? Only one person. You come. I saw you first. Which one is the... Yeah. Thank you. Clap for him. So the cow's tail. It was so nice and long. So my friend Chippu Chippu Chipkali said, can you give me your tail? Are you selling these tails? And the cow said, my dear Chippu Chippu Chipkali, how can I give you my tail? You know, when all those flies and mosquitoes come and sit on my back, I sway, I swish my tail to chase them away. If I give you my tail, what will happen to me? So I can't give you my dear. Chippu Chippu Chipkali was sad. So first it was the squirrel who said, second, it was the cow who was telling, who should I go and meet? Chippu Chippu Chipkali was very, very, very sad. He was a sad lizard. Just then, there was another animal who was waiting right over there. Bow, bow, wow, wow, bow, 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 bow. The 3 black dogs right in the middle of the street, and they were fighting with each other. Chippu Chippu Chipkali was already scared, but never mind, let me give it a shot, he thought. Hey, black dogs, I love your tails. They're so curly and they're really black, you know. Do you mind giving me your tails for sale? Now, these dogs were already fighting with each other. So how do you think they reacted? Bow, 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 bow. Hasn't your mother taught you anything? There are no tails for sale. and we can't give you your tails. Go away from here. Exactly. But these don't sound like angry dogs. You guys seem to be very sweet. Can we have some angry dogs barking? Ah, exactly. So that's how the dog sounded. No, Chippu Chippu Chipkali was really scared. Let me run away from here. Forget about the tail. I need to save my life. Chippu Chippu Chipkali, Chippu Chippu Chipkali, Chippu Chippu Chipkali. Ran away, ran away. At a distance, there was a temple. Now I'll go to the temple. And there was this music which he heard. Sounded like movie song. However, let me see. Which animal? Ooh, that was the elephant. No, you know what? I want to see some elephants. I want some elephant company. Can you just stand up? Let me see how many elephants are really charged today. Yes, here we go. Those are those majestic elephants. Thank you, my dear friends. Please sit down. So this elephant, Chippu Chipkali, Chippu 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 Chippu Chipkali. Very good. So Chippu Chippu Chipkali went to the elephant and said, you know what? Even though your tail is very small compared to your big body, but you have a tail. See, I don't have a tail. Now, where is the elephant's tail over here? Can we have somebody from this side? Who's going to show me? Come, over here. Yes, correct. Woo! So that was the elephant's tail. I don't have a tail. I'm feeling sad. Do something about that. The elephant was a real old elephant, really an old elephant. And he said, my dear friend, my dear little one, why don't you come and sit on my ear? So, Chippu Chippu Chipkali, Chippu Chippu Chipkali, Chippu Chippu Chipkali. Yes, some of y'all are doing, so I don't have the heart to ask you to stop. Chippu Chippu Chipkali, Chippu Chippu Chipkali, Chippu Chippu Chipkali, Chippu. We can go on. Okay, very good. So this little lizard climbed up to the elephant's ear and sat right over there. Now the elephant said, come on, tell me, what's your problem, my friend? So Chippu Chippu Chipkali said, you know what, that girl called, what's her name? Guddu. What was she searching for? And she walked in and she just closed the drawer and my beautiful tail got snap job, sob, sob, sob. So the lizard started to cry. So the elephant said, my dear, don't worry. Huh? Even you're saying, oh, don't worry. Mama's telling, don't worry. I went to the cow, I went to the squirrel, I've come back to you. So the cow also, the elephant said, just imagine yourself, you little lizard with a cow's tail. Do you think you look nice? Just imagine yourself with that big, fluffy squirrel's tail. Do you think you're going to look nice? Just imagine yourself with that dog's tail. You won't look nice. So that's why I'm telling you, don't worry. Go to your mama now. Chippu Chippu Chipkali has had a tiring day. So he decided to go back to his mom, tail or not. Chippu Chippu Chipkali went back to home, to his house, went to Mama and said, Mama, look at me, I'm still tailless, I'm looking so ugly, I'm not beautiful, the cow is beautiful, elephant is beautiful, then doggies are beautiful, then elephant, then monkeys, then cows, then any other tails over here? Yeah, Leopard, yes, 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 yes. Fish has tail fins, correct. And birds have tail feathers. Everybody's got tail in some form or the other. Do we have tails? Rat also, yes. Do we have tails? Are you sure? You want to check quickly? Yeah, you can. No, we don't have tails, right? So, Chippu Chipkali was very sad. It was a very sad, depressed lizard, you know. Mama said, just like all the mamas do, she looked at Chippu Chipkali and said, "My dear Chippu Chipkali, Chippu Chipkali, don't worry, just turn around and look at yourself." What had happened? Yes, a small stump or a small tail had started to appear. Chippu Chipkali, Chippu Chipkali. Yes, and Mama was right. It was high time Chippu Chipkali got a brand new look and a brand new tail. So he was getting a new tail and he was super happy. He was the happiest lizard on earth that day. Every day he waited for that kutti stump, that small stump to grow little by little until it grew fully into a nice tail. And Chippu Chipkali was a beautiful lizard once again. And was Chippu Chipkali happy? Yes! So if he's happy, how do we say his name?
Chippu chippu chipkali, chippu chippu chipkali, chippu chippu chipkali, chippu chippu
Chipkali, yes, Chippu Chipkali was a story called The Lizard's Tale from Karadi Tales. So can we clap for Chippu Chipkali? Family, okay. Dog, Gudu. Elephant. You're not clapping, only I'm clapping. Leopard came. Elephant, squirrel. Tail. Okay, we clap for tail. Dogs, okay. Monkey, okay. Okay, so that's the end of this story. So, did you like the story? Yes! Okay, now I have few tales. Quickly we'll do something before I leave this place. Now, why do you think a monkey needs a tail? Yeah, to swing from branches, you know, to balance, to hang. Okay, and the zebra's tail. You can be creative, it needn't be true. Just imagine, why do you think the zebra needs a tail? Ah. Okay, so he said, what's your name? Nawaz said that if a bird comes and sits on the zebra's body or the back, so the zebra will chase the bird away with his tail. Okay, then leopard. Okay. Okay, leopard again for balancing, especially when it runs fast. It acts like a radar. Okay. Huh? While climbing trees. I am not sure. I think I will ask you only to do the research. Find out, okay? And tell your friends. Okay, then I think that's about it. We'll make a move. I'll make a move. I do have few tales. Probably, as I told you, when there comes a day when you're going to live with a tail and you have the option of designing your own tail, personalized, customized tails, you can probably take those tails home and use your creativity and draw them. I'll leave those tails with your teachers, so probably they will give it to you. Right? Yes. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you, BLF. Thank you, Karadi Tales.